If your core router crashes right now, do you have the latest backup? If the answer is no, you are in danger. So today on Naga Automates, I will show you a simple Python script that automatically connects to your router using SSH and takes a running configuration backup every day. Let's start. Pip install Paramiko. This script uses the Paramiko library to log into the router securely. First, we define the router IP address, username, and password. Then the script generates a backup file using the current date and time. So every backup is stored separately. After that, the script opens an interactive SSH shell, which is very important for network devices. It disables terminal pagination so that full configuration can be captured without interruption. Then it runs the show running config command and wait until the router sends the complete output. Finally, the script saves the configuration into a text file and closes the SSH connection safely. You can schedule this script using Task Scheduler or a cron job, and your router backup will happen automatically every day without manual effort. Save it. Let's run it. Oh, okay. I didn't give my password. Let's run it. This simple automation can save your hours of work and protect you during network failures. Boom, connected and downloaded. Here is our full backup file saved with today's date. Put this in Task Scheduler and you will never lose a config again. Subscribe for more network automation.